Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how you can schedule send and mail on Outlook. It's pretty easy. I'm going to show how you can do it. So schedule sending a mail is basically specifying a specific time for a mail to be sent, okay? So let's say I want to send an email to my school at exactly 6 a.m. I'm going to schedule send it. I'm going to fill out the email, and then I'm going to have a feature that is on Outlook that says schedule send the email at a specific time. So how can we do it? So first of all, we're going to launch up Outlook. Now after Outlook, you're going to click on New Mail. Now from New Mail, you're going to specify whatever you want, whoever you want to send the email to. In my case, I'll specify this one, and then you're going to write up the subject. Okay, let's say school, and then after that, you're going to write up the mail, the body, and the attachments and all this kind of stuff. Then after that, don't click send. You're going to click on the three buttons here, and after that, you're going to find something called schedule send. Then schedule send, you're going to choose a time, which is basically choose a time, and then as you can see, you can specify choose a time. I'm going to take for let's say for example 31st of October, and then a specific time 6 a.m. And after that, I'm going to click on schedule, and it's going to schedule send the email. So yeah, guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you later.